Hello. We're back at it again. We're right now in a abandoned military base. There are a couple of buildings here, but honestly this is going to be a crazy one because this place looks like shit. You can see something abandoned here, some fucking things here, this tunnels I guess, but there is this big and really preserved bunker. I managed to find it where the location is, and we have to look around and find it. The entrance is kind of a small tunnel with the stairs. Nothing like, if you just pass through here casually exploring, you wouldn't notice. You can see this magnetno-topova stancia, a compass, something. People have been here recently. There are a couple of videos of other explorers going inside of it, but we wanted to check it out for ourselves. I don't know where it is. We have to find it, but I think it will be worth it. I don't see anything interesting now. We're just walking along the road, but I see a couple small building with chimney. But yeah, I think this is going to be an interesting one if we find it. I'm joined again with the boys from the last video, but now we have more time. It is daylight. It doesn't seem like it, but it's really fucking cold. After a couple of hours of walking around and wasting time like for 3 or 4 fucking hours, we managed to find the place. Yeah, that's the entrance. It doesn't look that interesting. I mean, it's kind of big. I thought it was going to be smaller. There are a couple of like vents shit, yeah, but we wasted a lot of time. So there was a sign outside that said that people are working inside. Okay, пичове, внимайте само да не паднете. Да, доста. Damn, graffitis. We're late. Закъсняхме, момчета, някой не е изпреварил. Има графити. Графити. Топо. Stuvale. A dining place. This kind of small. Bed. These are beds on the wall. I'm kind of disappointed. Fuck, man. Well, I know the place was popular. Well, popular at the niche urbexers. But I didn't expect someone to find it. You can see caps from filters, lenses from gas masks. Telephone apparat. Oh, this is a manual how to use a field phone, the ones that you carry on the back. Oops. Yeah. Nice. Таблица за управление на режимите. That's an LED, not a switch. Oh, nope. It says from reserve air intake. Honestly, доста е запазено. February 1995. И цветовете още не са на боята, не се изпопадали. Тъпо, че не сме ни от първите. I think this will lead to the big room. Yes, sir. Nice. Mm-hmm. Sure. Телеграф рум. Ще видим в коридора. Зад вратата не видяхме какво има. Има стълби нагоре. Someone made a fire here. Имало е уси. Тук. So they made the fire to... Okay.
Ти на кого?
Да, но има някакви мухи. Не ми се занимава. So I think it had the wasps here, so people made the fire to remove the wasps. Виж как има. Това, как се казваш? Суд е на английски. Пустените. Еми, да.
After you.
Whoa. So this is the big room. Let me just boost up the, boom. Boom. Nice big room. I've never been into a bunker bomb shelter with this high of a ceiling. Yeah. Well, we missed our chance because the people that were here before us, these lights were working and it wasn't that trashed. I mean, the spirit of urbexing, you have to find a good place before somebody else. Yeah. A really random place to somebody to find it. You have to be a local from here to find it. The generator. Секретна секция. This is the secret place. And nothing secret. The interrogation room. They close you inside and fuck you in the ass. Man. Let's choose one. Nice. Всичко е окрадено.
Това е много тъжно.
Човек, те ако можеха и двигатели щяха ги изкарат и кабели и всичко, бах ти. Много тъпо. Man, everything is trashed. Damn. Искаш един бушон? Не искаш?
Какво ще купя?
Не. Нещо падна. Ще слизаш? Ще ти дам камерата.
Давайте.
Не.
Сега ще дълго?
Ами да, що не? О, има някакви кашони. Stuff. Това ли е края? О, шит. Тук трябва да са било кислородните бутилки. Но ги няма. So, I think here that it has to be oxygen tanks. But, as you can see, oh, there are one left. There is one left, but the other ones are gone. Really interesting layout. Nothing. Всичко украдено, човек, бах ти. Са скъпи. Те са скъпи, човек. Може би тая, защото е отрязана отгоре. So, it was an interesting one. I really liked those, like the big room and these filled beds. The manuals of using the field phone is nice, but yeah, I think I'm going to call it an end. I don't want to bore you with the content of us exiting the forests. So these tunnels, yeah, this is the exit. And well, let me just fresh air. Honestly, I didn't expect it to be this big. I'm really disappointed at not being that preserved as I wanted it to be, but still a cool find. I've never been into such a large room underground, excluding tunnels and that kind of thing. But it would be nice. It would be nice to see it working. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope I will show and explore more, even better ones in the future.